go wherever you have files in your drive. So I have files in my E drive, and these are my audio video files. So I can select file and that will get added to the playlist. So I'm doing a, you can also do a multi-select if you want. So you can press Control and do a multi-select. So I have multiple files selected, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I can click OK. So if you can see, I had only 3 files before and the duration was, oh my god, oh no. Anyway, so I have now 10 files and the total duration of the playlist is 38.57 seconds. It also counts the nanoseconds just to make sure that the broadcast is very efficient. So you can add file the way you want. I mean, you can just click on the file and add a file, and that's all it is about. So let us go to the second part. So if you can see, if you add a file, I'm trying to add all these files. Okay, now because we are able to add a file to the playlist, but to arrange this in an order, so the total schedule is for 1 hour 20 minutes 25 seconds and there are 22 files. So it's gonna be very hard for me to understand and maintain this playlist. So to make it very simple and easier, you can use add playlist. Now what is add playlist? I'm trying to remove some files. I can do a multi-select. Okay, I'm trying to do a multi-select and I'm saying remove. So this will basically remove some of the files from my playlist, the selected files maybe. Okay, now so if you can see, if we add a file is added to the playlist. The total duration is displayed here, the total number of files is displayed here. But let's say you need to play songs or video songs, and each song is of 5 minutes, and you need to pull the content for 25 minutes, maybe Hindi songs or English songs or romantic songs or rock songs or whatever you want to do. So how you can do that is via a playlist. Now if you add a playlist, it will just ask you the same way as the way it was asking for add file, but this time it will work in different mode. Let's say I have selected this file. Now if you can see, I have got a M list here, and if I go to metadata of this M list, I'm getting a sub playlist. Now let's say I have selected all these files or maybe some of them, and I'm creating a sub playlist with a total duration of 24 minutes 50 seconds. Let's make it half an hour. So it is now 26 minutes and now it is 30 minutes and I have total 10 files. And if I close this, now if you remember, when we add a file, the file name is displayed as a name of the object. But if you add a M list, you can name it. So let's name this rock songs. Okay, let's save this. Now if you can see, in the playlist I have a rock song and the total duration for this rock song is 30 minutes 49 seconds. Thank you.